Hi, in this session, I'll be explaining the usage of first value and last value in select queries. The first value and the last value, these functions provide the first and last value of the window as per the sort sequence. We'll be creating the window by partition on a specific field and we'll be using the first and last to get the first and last value of that window of that partition. You can see the select query and I'm doing a partition over carrier ID and the first value of seats occupied and last value of seats occupied I want to show. For the partition of the carrier ID, for a particular carrier ID, I'm going to get the seats occupied value first and seats occupied value last. Okay, so in the sheet first, you can see the first value, and sheet last, you can see the last value. You can observe the last value has been changed because there is an order by connection ID. Because connection ID is different, the first two connection ID 788, so the last value of this one is 422 is shown. And coming to the second set, the connection ID is 789 and the 789 the last value is 332 that's being shown. So that's all about the use of first value and the last value in the select query. Remember, it is driven by the order by, but we need to partition. We need to create partition windows by a field like here is carrier ID to realize the use of first and last value. Thank you for watching.